Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to make 10K per month with Whop. First, create a Whop account and set up your seller profile. Then, identify a profitable niche. Next, develop a high-demand product or service that solves a real problem. Now set competitive pricing, typically $20 to $200 per month, depending on your offer. Use Whop's built-in templates to design an attractive landing page. Then, integrate Discord, Telegram, Shopify, or private web access if needed. Promote through Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Reddit, and niche forums. Now leverage Whop's affiliate program to let others sell for you. Offer free trials or limited-time discounts to quickly grow subscribers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.
Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.